We have a special package that came in from eBay. Let's see what it is. I almost got it. Let me try the other side. Sorry if I'm doing a poor job, everyone. Nobody's perfect at opening. Which one is it? All that stuff. And here's a surprise. It's Racing Vinnie from North America. Finally, I got this magnificent engine. Really like his tender and engine all. Now let's open this up. Here's the magnificent Vinnie. He's really cold. This is because, and today I have no school. So this is a really big luck today. It's tender. It's really good. It's one strange thing about Vinnie is that he doesn't have his silver things on his face. But that's something I don't need to worry about. I'm just happy I got a lucky toy today.